Tonight, the state of Texas executed a former Missouri City police officer convicted of ordering a hit on his wife, Fratta, in 1994. Our Grace White joins us in Huntsville tonight, where she was a media witness. Grace?
After a last-minute appeal, the courts ruled the execution could proceed. Robert Fratta made no final statement, even as his oldest son and brother-in-law came to witness.
Fratta did not make a last statement. He stared straight ahead at the ceiling and did not acknowledge the victim's witnesses at all.
Outside the prison unit in Huntsville, a few anti-death penalty protesters gathered. While inside, a spiritual advisor placed his hand on Fratta to pray and read scripture as the lethal drugs were administered.
Make no mistake about it, today is a day for Farah and her family. This is not about Bob.
It was 1994 when Fratta was shot in the garage of her Atascocita home, leaving the couple's 3 children without their mom. Robert Fratta was sentenced to death for the murder-for-hire plot.
Fratta's life was negotiated down to $1,000 and a car. For this, she was murdered.
Fratta's 2 accomplices remain on death row. More heartache for this family, who has lived this for 28 years. By Farah's family's side to witness Fratta's execution were social worker Judy Cox and victim advocate Andy Kahn, who say Fratta hasn't changed. The one final chance he had to apologize to his children, he didn't.
He still was a coward tonight when he was offered an opportunity to at least extend an olive branch to his son.
The one person missing tonight, Farah's father. He passed away years ago, but always said he wanted to be here for this day, calling it justice for his daughter. In Huntsville, Grace White, KHOU 11 News.